This question belongs to vertical circular motion combined with projectile motion. A body tied to a string of length L is revolved in a vertical circle with minimum velocity. When the body reaches the uppermost point, the string breaks and the body moves under the influence of the gravitational field of Earth along a parabolic path. The horizontal range AC of the body will be which of these four options? So in this question, the particle is moving in a circle, vertical circle of radius L. L is the length of the string of the pendulum. It begins from the lowest point A. At the lowest point A, the minimum velocity needed to complete the circle is root of 5gl. Root 5gl. Achha. So what will be the velocity at the highest point for the critical condition for this minimum velocity to complete the circle? So using the energy conservation, we can find out. Let us apply the condition of energy conservation between the lowest and highest point. K1 plus U1 is equal to K2 plus U2. K1 plus U1 is the initial energy at the point A, the lowest point, and K2 plus U2 is the final energy at the topmost point P. So therefore, putting the values at the point A, the kinetic energy is half into m into u square. Potential energy can be taken 0, and kinetic energy at the topmost point P is equal to half m v square plus potential energy will be equal to mg into h, but the height is 2 times of L from the lowest point. After this, cancel the mass or divide the whole equation with mass m. Now multiply the entire equation with 2, you get this. After that, you know the value of u is root 5gl, so u square is equal to 5gl is equal to v square plus 4gl. Therefore, v square is equal to gl, or v is equal to square root of gl. So the velocity at the topmost point is equal to square root of gl to just complete the circle. Now after this, according to question, the string breaks. So the string breaks at the highest point. After the spring breaks at the highest point, the particle will continue to move in the gravitational field as a projectile motion, and the path will be a parabola. Now let us recall about this horizontal projectile from a tower, that from a tower of height h, when a particle is thrown horizontally with velocity u, then it also moves in a parabolic path, and the range of this projectile is given by this formula. R is equal to u multiplied by root of 2h by g, and the time of flight is root of 2h by g, where u is the initial horizontal velocity. So we can take this formula for range and we can continue solving this problem, because after the string breaks, the remaining part of motion is a projectile motion, horizontal projectile motion. So let us continue solving the remaining part of question as a horizontal projectile. So the formula for range is equal to u into square root of 2h by g. U means the velocity at the topmost point of the projectile, that is root gl, and square root of 2 into height will be equal to 2l. This height, observe this vertical height, this much amount of, this is equivalent to the height of tower. Compare with these two diagrams. Okay, and divide by g. Then g cancels with g, and answer will be equal to 2 times of L. So the horizontal range of this question is 2 times of L.